Hi all, welcome back to the shop. I will do a short video regarding the setup I made on the CNC machine. That I want from the CNC machine is to make some graving operation like those one where I will put some holes using my drilling press. And I want to be as accurate as possible. So if I do this operation by hands with a roll and so on, the accuracy will be not very good. So that's why I use my CNC, and also it's a very good way, to go from the prints directly, on the raw material and on a machining operation. And that's why I like the CNC machine. The 2 or 3 things that I want to share with you. When you make such setup, the first thing you have to do is to be sure that the plates you will machine need to be exactly positioned regarding the axis of the machine. So the way I did that, I used some plates already machined. So the 2 small one, so this one and this small plate were already machined, as you can see here. So it's a machine surface like this one and also like this one. So I use those machine surface to be very close and to touch here the one side of the CNC machine. And if you touch one side and you have the same dimension in front and in the back, you are sure that you will put this plate in a proper position, square to the way of the machine will be milling, and especially square to the axis. So the small front plates and the small back one were machined all together, so they have exactly the same dimension. And it's a good way, to be sure that you are square with the axis of the machine. So you have one axis there and the other one is there. If you do not take this special care and you are not square with the machine, the carving and the milling operation will not be square to the plates, and you will miss the position of what you need. The second thing is the fact that this machine is not very stiff, but even with a wooden machine you can mill some steel. The only thing that you have to take care is to reduce the dips of each milling operation. So in this case, the dips was very limited. So I use 0.2 millimeters for each pass, and I use a total dips of 1 millimeters on the plates. So it was a good way for the machine to do the job. And the last thing that I want to mention is the fact that you have to maintain the plates with some strain. So I use those small fixtures here, there and there, to be sure that those fixtures will maintain the plate, and any kind of vibration will not affect the true position of the plates. But you have to take care when you put such a clumping fixture. I use my screen on the CNC machine. Let me show you the way I did that. So I use the screen of the CNC machine and to locate the place where there is no hole. So it's a good way to put the clumping fixture in the middle of 2 milling operation. It's very critical to take special care of that, because when you start to make a milling operation, the machine don't know if there is a clumping feature or not. So do not put any clumping feature on a hole, because you will have a big mess. You can break the center drill, and also have some disaster on the axis of the machine. So here it is, a few tips regarding. And the last things I didn't mention regarding, you know, the positioning of the plates square to the axis. When you did that and you succeed putting the plates in a true position, then you have to find that we call the origin of the plates. So in this case it was here. So I use an edge finder like this one and go on the two axes, this way and this way. So I know the true center will be here, but you have to subtract the half that diameter, you know, of the edge finder. So sometimes it could be a big error not subtracting half of the diameter of the edge finder. So it's a good way to find one corner that is the origin of the plate, and then you can start a machining, and you are very, very accurate like this way. I think that the accuracy, the global accuracy of the machine and the holes is below 1.1 millimeters. And if I had to do the same job, you know, with the rules and a pen, and also to marks and to create the ruler in a handy way, I guess that the accuracy would be 0.5 or maybe 1 millimeters, depending on the way you are able to work. So the CNC machine is, for this reason, a very good way to increase the accuracy and to make a better job. Okay, doing the things, and now that I can do, as all the true position of the holes are made, I can go on my drill press just there to make some normal drilling operation and to finish the plates.